Looking for a resume builder that actually gets you past the filters and into interviews? Meet ResumeUp.AI, the all-in-one AI-powered tool that helps you build resumes, cover letters, optimize LinkedIn profiles, and manage job applications, all with lifetime access. With over 20 ATS-friendly templates, you can quickly craft a polished resume that stands out to both hiring managers and applicant tracking systems. The AI assistant helps you format content, add keywords, and tailor each version to individual job descriptions. Don't have a resume yet? No problem. Build from scratch, import from LinkedIn, or chat with Resume GPT to craft personalized content using conversational prompts. The Resume Checker scans your document to generate an ATS compatibility score and actionable feedback. ResumeUp.AI also lets you optimize your LinkedIn profile, getting you noticed by recruiters faster. Plus, a job tracker dashboard saves you from juggling spreadsheets, so you can monitor every application in one place. Right now, you're getting lifetime access on AppSumo starting at just $39 for Tier 1, which includes Resume Builder, ATS Checker, Cover Letter Generator, and Job Tracker. Higher tiers offer multi-user access, more resumes and letters, LinkedIn optimization, and priority support. Users love how ResumeUp.AI makes tailoring resumes simple and effective. It holds a solid 4.6-star rating on AppSumo, praised for its intuitive interface and powerful ATS score features. Some reviewers mention template limitations or formatting quirks, but overall say it delivers exceptional value for job seekers and professionals alike. If you're ready to ditch guesswork, stop copy-pasting into trackers, and finally get hired, let ResumeUp.AI streamline your job search from resume to interview. For one low payment, you get all the AI tools you need. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Grab ResumeUp.AI today on AppSumo and land more interviews with less effort.